Deadpool 2 is a 2018 American superhero film based on the Marvel Comics character Deadpool, distributed by 20th Century Fox. It is the 11th installment in the X-Men film series, and a sequel to the 2016 film Deadpool. The film is directed by David Leitch from a script by Rhett Reese, Paul Wernick, and Ryan Reynolds, with Reynolds starring in the title role alongside Josh Brolin, Morena Baccarin, Julian Dennison, Zazie Beetz, T.J. Miller, Brianna Hildebrand, and Jack Kesey. In the film, Deadpool forms the Team X force to protect a young mutant from Cable. Plans for a sequel to Deadpool began before that film's release, and were confirmed in February 2016. Though the original creative team of Reynolds, Reese, Wernick, and director Tim Miller were quickly set to return for the second film, Miller left the project in October 2016 due to creative differences with Reynolds, and was soon replaced by Leitch. An extensive casting search took place to fill the role of Cable, with Brolin ultimately cast. The casting of Beetz as Domino was also noteworthy. Filming took place in British Columbia, Canada, from June to October 2017. During filming, stunt woman Joy S.J. Harris died in a motorcycle accident. The film was dedicated in her memory. Deadpool 2 was released in the United States on May 18, 2018. The film received generally positive reviews from critics, who praised its humor, performances, and action sequences, with some calling it better than the first film, although the perceived ethnic stereotyping of supporting characters and a feeling of cynicism drew some criticism. A sequel, Deadpool 3, is in development.